Alright, so last time we did this, this time, you just want to get some pizza or something?
Sure.
Sure, but...
I don't know what that's doing.
What was that?
What was that? I don't know.
Let's go check it out. Recording?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Be careful. I don't know what's up there again. If it's another one of those birds, I'm legit gonna lose it.
Is that your car? No! Oh! Go! Shut the door behind you! Close it!
Close it!
The wall close!
Okay, then care.
Keep it together!
Something's about to happen.
Elias, I'll make sure.
Buy the chocolate milk from like the clearance aisle.
Yeah,
Okay?
we'll be rebels and buy it from the normal.
If I die, remember that I have a coupon in the cabinet for 2% off cheese graters.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go out. I'm going out. I'm going out. I'm going out. I'm going out.
No!
I'm gonna go out.
No, don't go out.
I'm gonna go out.
They're gonna kill you.
I'm gonna go out. Film this so we can upload it to YouTube for clickbait if the Birdman kills me.
No, but you're gonna die. I don't know your password.
I'm sorry for the views. Stay hidden.
What if I forget the password?
We have to have one person to upload it.
Yeah, that's true.
The password's Chicken Wing Barbecue 478.
Okay.
Oh, Birdman.
Birdman! Run!
Boys, it looks like clickbait. For a second. Alright. Okay.
What are we gonna do?
Wait a minute. How much did that one clickbait video get of that person falling off a tractor? Wasn't it like 80 million views?
No, it was like 3 trillion.
Okay, well, okay, well.
It's like 3/4 of the
like,
world.
for 1 million views, you get like a bunch of money.
Yeah.
Think about trillions. Think of all the money.
No, it's not worth the money.
Oh, Birdman.
Birdman!
Gotta get ready for this.
Birdman!
Birdman?
Birdman!
Birds are coming!
Birdman! No! Birdman!
No!